forces out. We have El Indio as to begin moving upon the outside. Geronimo, Happy Hour, Euromax. Rushing upon the outside now with Survey. Bootlegs comes next. Then followed by Kerry Over, Angelic Boys, Tempest, Cambro, Royal Aires, Angie Red, Corin Diaca. And Interceptor is the early trailer. And going along for the first turn, we have Zer Bay by about 4 lengths. El Indio in second, and in third, Happy Hour. And about 4 lengths, so in fourth, Euromax, Geronimo, Carryover, Tempest. Then followed by Cambro, Angelic Boys, Bootlegs, Angie Red, Royal Aires, Corin Diac, and Interceptor still racing in last. And it's still Sir Bay by about 4 lengths. El Indio in second, Happy Hour. Then here comes Euromax now coming closer in fourth. Cambro alongside fifth. Then comes Geronimo, Carryover. Survey by only 2 lengths. Then coming closer now in second is Euromax. Cambro on the outside third. Happy Hour in fourth. Geronimo as they come down at the last 150. Sir Bay by only half a length. Moving up now is Euromax on the outside. Euromax takes the lead. Survey Cambro is on the outside. But it's now Euromax by about 2 lengths. Survey Cambro to take second. And nearing the finish line. Final race. Dialogue. So there was spill. Jackie Pot Dilemma on Euromax. And finally Cambro. Then comes Bootlegs.
Well, shocking. Few meters,
incident. 25.
25 meters before the wire.
Na-unseat si Rider Patty Dilemma.